In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop ShareChat app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of notifications from this app, then you can disable them by just following these simple steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, you need to access ShareChat app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. You can also access Share It app through settings. So I just use the shortcut. And from Share It app info page here, look for permissions section. Under permissions, identify and see if you have this notifications option. And now you should see all notifications that are on. As you can see, there are quite a number. To disable them, just toggle off show notifications, and this will turn all the other types of notifications off. So from now henceforth, you'll never again receive alerts from Share It app unless you turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable ShareChat app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.